Okay, let's have a go. So if you want to do a left split version of this, we're going to do a tuck spin with your right hand up, left hand down, crunching onto the left hip. Now we want to try and get our hips evenly spaced between our hands. So you're going to do a little hop off the right foot, tuck into a ball, making sure the pole is nestled really deeply into the bottom hip. I'm going to bend my top elbow, use my bicep, and pull my chest and tummy into the pole to get as much grip on my stomach and my thigh as possible so that I can release the bottom hand. I'm going to slightly extend the bottom leg, grabbing behind my ankle, pulling that leg forwards to get the hip lock, and then I'm going to slide my top hand down slightly, extend the right leg, and lean away as far as I can, extending my arm fully, arching back. So I'm trying to create as much tension as I can between my straight arms, pulling my leg and my thigh into the pole to get the lock. And then to exit, you can bend the knees back in towards your chest into the tuck spin, release the leg and regrip, and you can exit out from there. Okay, so let's give that one more try. We're going to start in our tuck spin, getting the pole deep into that bottom hip. Using that top bicep, pull your chest and tummy into the pole. Release the bottom hand, grab the back of the bottom ankle, pull it forwards, extend the back leg. Then we're going to slide the top hand down, lean away, create as much tension between your straight arms and your front leg and the pole. And to exit, when you're ready, bend the knees back into the tuck spin, and you're good to go.